pupils, how are you? Are you ready? Let's begin the new lesson. Today we will begin new unit 9 and lesson 1. And Mother, new term is Mother Nature. Mother Nature. What can you say about the Mother Nature? Mother Nature, what is? Nature is like mother. Do you think so that? And what is the nature? How to serve it? And this is today's we pay attention this point, and it will be discussed. Let's go on. And today we have some new words. Please be carefully and write in your notebook. They are environment, to depend on, air forces, ecosystem, a balance. And please copy out in your notebooks. And you should find the translations these words. The next is activity 1A. Listen and repeat the new words. Windmill. Alternative. Alternative. Windmill, its the translation is wind. Shamol, tegirmoni. And alternative bu muqobil teng ravishda. Bu yerda adjective bo'lib kelyapti. And activity 1B, write in pairs, answer the question. And please write down the question and answer it. What are alternative sources of energy to fossil fuels? Please write down. And next activity 2A, write in pairs, match the source of energy to pictures. And you should find what picture belongs to what kind of words. It will be maybe fossil fuels or waste to fuels, nuclear power, water power, and you should match. The next is. And activity 2, work in pairs, match the words in explanation. A. Nature. B. Environment. And C. Ecosystem. There are given 3 texts, and you should find below the nature, environment, ecosystem, and match. For example, the first, it includes all living and non-living things that are around us: air, water, land, people, animals, and plants. What is this? It's nature or environment? Please find out, be quick. And the second is, all plants, animals, and people depend on each other. It shows how living things act with each other and how they feel in their environment. Which one? Ecosystem or environment? Yes? I think you can find. And the third is, it is the physical and material world or universe. It includes all the animals, plants, humans, seas, and mountains in the world, and all the processes that happen without people, such as the weather, the birth of young animals, and plants. Please write down like 1. The first is will be, for example, A. The second, for example, B. It's not true. You should find the true variant. Let's continue the next. Activity 3. Work in pairs. Write and choose the best answer the question in your own answer. Why do we say Mother Nature? Maybe nature is like mother, our mother. And there are given some text, and you should, which text is belongs to the question. You should find. Please write your notebooks. The next is listen and repeat the new words. And today's also we have some new words, and listen and repeat the new words. Fossil fuel, nuclear power, renewable and run out, biofuel, waste to energy, pollution, to pollute. Please write down in your notebooks, and you should find the translations. It's the translations. Fossil fuel. What can you say? What kind of word is a fossil fuel? Fossil in o'zbek variant o'simlik qoldig'i yoki hayvon qoldig'i bo'lishi mumkin. Fuelchi bu yoqilg'i. Demak, o'simlik yoki hayvon qoldig'idan yoqilg'i tayyorlash mumkin ekan. Nuclear power. What is it? Bu nuclear power bu atom energiyasi. Renewable. What is a renewable? Renewable is uzaytirilgan. Run out tugagan ma'nosida, tugamoq. Biofuel, waste to energy, and the rest of the words you should find the translations. Please, let's continue. Complete the table with the words. Wood, coal, water power, wind power, natural gas, nuclear power, oil, wave power, solar power, waste energy. And you should complete the table with the words. Like this. Fossil fuel or not renewable. For example, they are given some example. Fossil fuel, it's coal, renewable, wood. You should like this. And the next exercise, work in pairs, write in facts about the advantages and disadvantages of fossil fuels. Pupils A chooses text about the advantages and pupil B about the disadvantages of fossil fuels. Do you know everything has disadvantages or advantages or disadvantages? And also fossil fuels have some disadvantages and advantages. For example, there are given disadvantages and advantages. You should divide into two parts, disadvantages and advantages, according to the text. Okay? Fossil fuels burning brings the most dangerous effects to the environment. It's global warming. What is it? It is also, yes, it is disadvantages. And the fossil fuels are easy to get, and their cost is lower as compared to other sources. It is, yeah, it is advantages. And the fossil fuels pollute water and the process of coal mining or drilling oil or natural gas. What is this? Yes, it is disadvantages. And the fossil fuels are used in the production of some medicines or other things we generally use in our daily lives, like plastic shoes, clothes, dishwashers, and electronic things such as computers and refrigerators. Yes, it is advantages. You should do like this exercise. And look at the picture. What can you see? What do you see? It is, I think, air pollution. Yes? The next is, it is water pollution. Yes. What do you see? It is solar system. What is it? It is, yes, it is windmill. Windmill. And what do you see? Ecosystem and also the next exercise, read and match the titles to texts about fuels. One title is extra. There are given 5 texts, and also there are given 6 titles, and one title is extra. You should find which title is extra. You should write in your notebook. And the next is work and curious, read and answer the questions. How long does it take to grow a tree? How long? Where is the oldest tree in the world? How old is it? Do you know such kind of tree? Yes? Is there the oldest tree in your village or in your district, in your city? Yes? Please, if there is some kind of tree, please write. And the next is write and check your answer. Yes, check it with this text. And it is, we must serve the nature. Yes, nature is our mother. And thank you for your attention. Please, homework, it will be to learn by heart all new words and do exercise. Thank you for your attention.